What's up, guys? Tired of crumbs and dust taking over your car seats and floor? Today on Tech Product, we are diving into the best car vacuum cleaner that is compact, powerful, and built for quick cleanups anytime. If you want strong suction in a small body, you will love this one. Let's get started. Up next is the Souk C012 Car Vacuum Cleaner. Souk designed this model to make car cleaning simple, fast, and much more efficient without dragging around a big machine. At the heart of the Souk C012 Car Vacuum Cleaner is an 11.1-volt high-speed brushless motor. This motor delivers powerful suction that easily pulls in dust, crumbs, sand, and small debris from seats, carpets, and tight corners. Because it is brushless, it runs more efficiently and lasts longer than traditional motors. It also works quietly, so cleaning feels smooth and less noisy. But this is more than just a vacuum. The Souk C012 comes with a multifunctional design. It can vacuum, blow, inflate, and even exhaust air. That means you can use it to blow dust out of small gaps, inflate air mattresses or small inflatables, and remove extra air from storage bags. Instead of carrying different tools, you have one compact device that handles multiple tasks. Portability is another big highlight. The Souk C012 Car Vacuum Cleaner weighs only 380 grams. It feels light in your hand and is easy to move around inside your car. You can reach under seats, around pedals, and into narrow spaces without feeling tired. Its compact size also makes storage simple. It fits easily in a glove box, door compartment, or trunk without taking up much room. Inside, you will find a washable HEPA filter. This filter captures fine dust particles and helps prevent them from going back into the air. That means cleaner air inside your car while you vacuum. Since the filter is washable, you can rinse and reuse it, which saves money and keeps performance strong over time. Powering the Souk C012 is a 186503200 mAh battery. This high-capacity battery gives you extended cleaning time, so you can finish a full car cleanup without constantly worrying about recharging. It provides steady performance from start to finish, making it reliable whenever you need it. The overall design is sleek and modern. It feels solid in the hand, yet still lightweight. Every detail, from the motor to the filter to the multifunction attachments, is built to make cleaning easier and faster. Small size, serious power. Check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart tech picks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.